Hey friends, so today we are going to make pizza. So the basic ingredient is besan and potato mix, but the veggies will be same. This is tomato, olives, capsicum, onion and jalapeno. And this is our potato. I have taken 3 potatoes, 3 medium sized potatoes. I am going to make a mix out of it. So this is potato. So I am going to churn these potatoes first with the help of a spoon. Let it mash first. These are very soft potatoes. And this potato will add a very good flavor to make our chilera pizza. So I am going to first add salt to this. This is half spoon of salt, small spoon, some kasuri methi flavor to this. Then to give it a pizza taste, I'll add some oregano. And then at last I'll add some chili flakes. You can add more chili flakes. I'm using less chili flakes because my children won't eat it. And we are going to give it a nice mix and mix it very well. This is our mix is ready. I have added 1/4 spoon to it. You can adjust salt according to your taste. Now we are going to make a batter out of besan. I'll take 3 big spoons of besan. So I have added half spoon of salt and half spoon of red chili powder to this, and will add water to this and make a batter. This is half cup of water. We have to make sure that the consistency would remain neither too tight or too low. It should be a medium batter. I am taking half more cup of water. This is total in total it is 1 cup of water, and I am going to mix it well. I have to make sure that there are no lumps in this. This batter is still thick, so I'll add some more water to this. You can adjust it according to your consistency. As you can see, just check the consistency. It is not too thin or too thick. It is very good for making a special pizza. So I have spread 1 spoon of oil in this pan. I am going to take 2 spoons of batter. This is semi-thick batter, and I am going to spread it evenly. We don't have to make too thin layer. We have to keep it a little thick. We have to spread it evenly and let it roast for 1 or 2 minutes until the other side is covered and roasted nicely. So we can now switch the sides. So we have switched the side of this. Now we are going to spread this masala evenly. Make sure that your gas is in low flame while you are doing this, because it may take time. I'll add some tomato sauce to this. We'll again spread it nicely. Now we are going to add some cheese to this. This is cheddar and mozzarella cheese. You can use any cheese which is available with you. Now I am going to add few onions. We'll add few capsicums to this. We are going to settle tomatoes, few olives and jalapeno. We'll cover it for around 1 minute. Already 2 minutes. We need to check. So all cheese is melted and this pizza is ready. Now we'll transfer it to a plate. I'm going to add some chili flakes to this. We are going to add some oregano seasoning to this. We are going to dissect it. As you can hear the voice, it is very crispy from the another side also. So basically this is ready to serve now. So this is basically the healthiest version of any kind of pizza. It has vegetables, this is besan, all healthy ingredients. So have it, taste it, like it, comment and subscribe. Thank you.